Qudini has enabled us to have a much more pleasant customer experience in the store, and we can definitely see that we've had a percentage growth in terms of revenue. People are able to come in and complete their sight tests and customer journeys a bit quicker, which actually means that they're more likely to stay with us and buy glasses. We see several hundred customers and patients each day. Some are coming in for a straightforward purchase of spectacles or contact lenses. Others are coming in for a slightly more complex clinical journey. Qudini, it's a fantastic app.
It is a tool that organises my store and my staff as well as my patients.
Our meter and greeter has it at the front door, and it's the very first thing which a customer coming into our store will see.
The patient's Qudini journey starts from the reception desk where their name is entered for the pre-testers, and then the patient is transferred from Qudini from the pre-test queue to the sight test.
That patient will then be helped by one of our dispensers with browsing our frames before they then place potentially their order.
But of course it doesn't finish there. The final part of a customer journey is perhaps when they're coming back to collect their glasses. We'll add them to the appropriate queue on the Qudini app. So now it's just a case for one of the members of the team to go ahead and find the glasses, then identify the customer from the waiting area and to get their glasses fitted. So we implemented Qudini and it was an instantaneous success. We literally were able to manage our improvements on customer service within a week.
We've definitely seen an increase in customers purchasing products because the level of customer services are so far improved that we're able to serve those patients in a better timescale, which makes not only the patients come back to us, but also recommend them to friends and family.
I'm absolutely certain that Qudini helps improve customer loyalty. It really helps us to identify why somebody's come into our practice, and it allows us to offer them the best possible journey to make sure they get to the right person at the right place at the right time and have the best outcome possible.
It's just a lot less stress. I think when you've got something that works so well, it makes your job a lot easier. You don't have to come in every day and think, oh God, what's today going to bring?
If Qudini was taken away from the store, I'm not entirely sure how we would cope. I wouldn't even want to imagine life without Qudini.
I wouldn't let it happen. I wouldn't let it happen. It will be difficult if someone did take Qudini away.
I would hate it if Qudini was taken away. Its benefit to a large store like this is incalculable.